Have you ever had that pair of jeans or a shirt that you really, really loved and it's getting a little worn, getting a little old? Well, maybe you want to do a little bit of repair. Hi, my name is Daniel King. I'm a pattern maker and designer. And we're going to talk about sewing repair tips for clothing. Say, for instance, at the bottom of your jeans, it starts to get a little raggedy, a little ruffly. What you can do is actually cut off maybe 4 inches of the jean. Take a fabric, maybe it's a similar fabric or a contrasting fabric to add a little bit of a own personality to it. Take that piece of fabric, sew it together just as you would the jean where the seams are, and then you would sew that to the bottom of the jean and then hem that piece of fabric. And that adds a little bit of your own special dimension to the design. Say, for instance, you have a rip. You've ripped the front of your jeans or the back leg. You can always take a patch and place over the top of that rip. You take the patch, place it over the top, and you whip stitch, which is just bringing that stitch up and around, over and over along the patch, making sure that you get into the denim as well. So those are just a couple of tips that you might want to use instead of throwing that old pair of jeans away. Again, my name is Daniel King, and good luck with those old jeans.